Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Target. I thought I'd check out their little book section here, guys. Let's check it out. Okay, so over here we have the Dinky Donkey, and that's $7.99. Then we have Grandma's Garden for $18.99. And over here we have We Are the Gardeners, $19.99, and The Secret Garden, $17.99. So I never been through their book section, guys, and I thought I'd take you with me. So here you have The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein, $16.99. Then over here you have Guess How Much I Love You, $16.99, guys. Then over here says Be Brave Little One, that's $9.99. Then they have Dear Boy, A Celebration of Cool, Clever, Compassionate You, $17.99, guys. Then You Belong. Isn't that nice? $17.99, guys. And then this one says You Are My Happy. Isn't that nice? That's so adorable, guys. $6.29. Then this one here is Frozen 5-Minute Stories. That is so cute, guys. Let's see. It's a pretty big book too. Okay, so that's $18.99. I don't know. I think they're a little bit expensive, but I don't know. So Sophia Valdez Future Prez, $18.99. That's Fresh Princess. That looks pretty cute, guys. Let's see. This one's not too big. I like that book though. It's not too big though. And that's $18.99. Then you have Kiki and Jax, The Life-Changing Magic of Friendship, $17.99. This one says Hooray, Hooray for You, and that's $9.99. Then this one over here says With a Little Help from My Friends, $17.99. And look, they have a little Toy Story, or somebody must have put this here. Okay, I don't think that's part of the books. So here it says Baby, Jimmy Fallon. This is Baby. Okay, and that is $16.99. So the book with no pictures. BJ Novak. The book with no pictures. That's interesting. $17.99. Then you have this one is called It's Not All Rainbows, $17.99. And this one is The Return of Thelma the Unicorn. She looks funny. Let's see. Okay. Then that's $14.99. And then this one is The Unicorn Day, $17.99. And then you have this book, The Little Joe Chick-a Pig, $9.99. And I Need a New Butt. That is so cute. Guys, that is so cute. I Need a New Butt. That is adorable. And then that one says I Broke My Butt. Wow. Okay, that's $8.99. Then this one over here says I Am Perfectly Designed. Amen. I like that. $8.99. Then you have this llama, Macca the Alpaca, $14.99. Then 3 Cheers for the Kid McGear, $18.99. And then The Seed of Compassion. Okay, the Dalai Lama, $18.99. Then Know Your Answer, A Book of Questions, $19.99. Good Night Little Blue Truck. Good Night Little Blue Truck. I don't see the tag for that, but this one here, You Are My Friend, $17.99. And then this one, Fred's Big Feelings, The Life and the Legacy of Mr. Rogers. Oh my God, how many of you grew up with Mr. Rogers? I did. $17.99. That's an awesome book. Hair Love. Isn't that cute? That's Hair Love, $17.99. So this one says Be You. I'm loving these books, guys. Not Quite Snow White, $18.99. Then The Next President, $18.99. And what's behind here? That one says Peanut Goes for the Gold. Then this one says Only One You, $17.99, I think. Or this one, Grace Goes to Washington, $17.99. So I don't know exactly how much those other ones were. So this one says The World Needs Your Voice. Oh look, this one is, oh, this one's talking. Okay, so this is $24.99. Now what is this, the good night one? There's one here that's $35, guys. That's expensive. So $17.99 is this one, to be happy. Happy right now. And then this one is You Are My Friend, $17.99. Then you have Paddington Story Favorites, $17.99. Spider-Man in Europe, Swings Through Europe, $18.99. And then that one, The Little Blue Truck, $17.99. Then you have this one, The Good Egg, $18.99. And what's this one? The Dragon. There's a dragon in your book, $17.99. And then you have that one, Never Touch a Trex. Then Peter the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. I don't know if that's $17.99. Then this one is Hey Grand Dude, $17.99. Then The Galaxy Needs You. Then Frozen, Anna, Elsa, and the Secret River. This one, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, $17.99. And then you have this. This is Under the Sea Journal Activities, $16.99. Then When God Made the World, $12.99. I love that. And then this one is What Do You Do with an Idea, $16.99, guys. So over here we have all the places you'll go. And I love these, the Dr. Seuss books. Look, Green Eggs and Ham. I used to read that to my kids all the time. Then Dr. Seuss, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. Aww. So guys, these range $9.99 to $8.99. These kind of books here. And then you have Dr. Seuss, the alphabet. Then you have the Sesame Street books, Elmo, and Big Bird's Bad Day. That's $7.99. And this one here is Disney's Baby Goodnight Farm, $13.99. Then Happy Birthday to You. And of course, some of these have like sounds in them, like this one and that one. And those are $8.99 to $11.99. Then you have the little golden books, guys. How many of you remember that? The pokey little puppy, the shy little kitten, the Little Mermaid, Coco, Toy Story. These are so cute, guys. Then you have the Toy Story book over here. It's a pretty big book, guys. So this is $16.99. And here's Coco. Then you have the Trolls. The Trolls World Tour. That one is $19.99. Then the 5-Minute Princess Stories is $12.99. Then Love the Fur You're In. That's cute. Then you have Frozen. And then you have Frozen is 5-Minute Stories is $12.99. And so is the Disney Princess. And here you have 5-Minute Stories with Minnie, and then here's Winnie the Pooh, and those are $12.99, $19.99. Then this is the Cars 5-Minute Racing Stories, $12.99. Then you have Bedtime Stories over there by Disney, $15.29. You have Dumbo over there, The Lion King, that's $9.89. And then you have the Disney Animal Story Collection, $16.99. Then you have Star Wars, that's pretty neat, $17.99. Then you have a book and a magnetic play set for $15.99. And then Spider-Man for $12.99, guys. You Are a Gift to Me. So that's $7.19, I think. And then this says Good Night Baby. And then Bedtime Bear and Press Here, $7.99. God Gave Us the Bible. Little Miss Big Sister and Everything You, $7.99. Wear Spot. Then Goodnight Moon. Then Bedtime Pete and Kitty, When I Pray for You. Aw, that is so cute. $9.99, guys. Baby Beluga. Then this is Corduroy. Isn't that adorable, this book? And then you have Dinosaur Dance, and then Baby Feminist. Hey Black Child. What is that? $7.99. But first we nap. Isn't that adorable with the sloth? And then it says She Persisted. Where's the Unicorn? Curious George. I love Curious George. And then the Little Piggy. These are so adorable, guys. I thought I'd scroll through these with you. Let me just scan those for you guys, the rest of these. Pop-up peekaboo. 100 first words. Noisy things. Let's see what's on this side. And you have some coloring books over here. And then over here, guys, you have, let's see, White Bird for $19.99. And Super Deluxe Essential Handbook, Wish, Way School Beneath the Cloud of Doom, $14.39. Charlotte's Web, $8.99. Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, no. So let me just kind of scan through that. Here's Minecraft, guys. That's $14.39. The one and only Ivan. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown, $11.99. Then it says here, Dogman, Lord of the Fleas. That's funny. I think these are on sale for $9.99. Then you have these. These more like magazines. I don't know. Some of them are hardcover. So those are $10.99, $8.49, and $6.99, $5.49 for these. And let's see what else they have over here. A dragon, a friend for dragon. Then Lily to the Rescue, Trolls. Those are $6.99, $5.99, guys. Then Disney Milan. Let me see what that is. $6.99. And here is Star Wars Search and Find. Don't touch my hair. Wow. Okay. I didn't like people touching my hair either when I was growing up.
That'll give us a little bit of time out.
And then you have some of these highlight ones, these space puzzles. I remember the highlight ones. Then, so I'm not sure if those are $9.99.
Let's see what's down here.
Okay, then you have Peppa Pig, the Super Sticker Book, $10.99. And then you have the Disney Princess for $7.99. And these are coloring book and stickers for $12.99. And the Brain Quest workbook, guys, I like those.
And a puzzle book.
Okay, sounds good. So then over here, guys, you have Stella Brings the Family. Let me see how much that is. It's $16.99. Then I Love Daddy Every Day. Then Clifford, $10.99. I Love Daddy Every Day, $7.99. Darth Vader and Son. I never even heard of that, Darth Vader and Son. Let's see. $14.95, guys. And then look at this one, Hugs for Daddy. That's a pretty big book, $7.99. Dr. Seuss. Guys, and look, here's Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers' neighbor, I used to love watching him every day. Paw Patrol. And then what do you do with an idea? What do you do with a chance? And what do you do with a problem? I kind of like that. I really like that. And here, Grandpa Loves Me because I had a teacher. Sometimes you fly, $8.99. You will be found, $12.79 because I had a teacher. I like that, guys. That's $10.95. And then this one says You Can, the little engine that could, $12.99. And then this one says Llama's Dead, $7.95. Down here, Animal Dads. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to check out their books, and I will see you guys in the next video.